Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this beautiful unit that I have on. I hope you guys have been enjoying these wig reviews. If you have, please make sure you are liking this content and make sure you're subscribing as well. This pushes my videos out throughout the algorithm and this helps us grow our community. So yeah, if you guys like this content, please continue to watch this video. But first, make sure you are following me on all my socials. I post pictures and videos on there as well before they make it to YouTube sometimes, so you'll be in the know. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I am back with another wig video. Today's video is gonna be from Sensational Dashley collection. I reviewed one of these in my blonde collection. I think it was, I don't remember what number it was, but I will have it in the cards up here for you guys to check it out. But I really was impressed by that one. It was my first Dashley wig that I tried. This is a newer one. This is number 26. It is a middle part. It's a deep center part. It tells you that. I got it in the color Money Piece Hazel. Y'all know Money Piece Hazel is like one of my favorite sensational colors. But it does come in a host of colors. These are the specialty colors that they have. And they've also added wig care on the back. So they have instructions on how to wash and style your synthetic wig, which is really important because if you don't know how to take care of your synthetic units, you'll run into a lot of issues. So I do like that they have added that to this, and it comes in a host of colors, different money piece colors. Chunky highlight 27, chunky highlight 30, money piece blonde, money piece caramel, money piece hazel, money piece platinum. A lot of money piece colors. So let's get into what she looks like straight out of the box, and then we'll come back and install her.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Okay y'all, so this is what she looks like straight out of the package. Look at those curls. I tell y'all what, like this year they have stepped their game up with how thick and full these units are, because I just reviewed a wig from Outre. I think it was Outre Luminia, and she was thick too. But look at this color. Y'all know I love Money Piece Hazel. I love the little honey blonde highlights at the front. And this one has the curtain bangs. That is the specialty for these new Dashley units that come out. So she's already layered for you. So I do like that. I think that's a good thing. And again, this is the center part. Comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 in the nape area, as well as adjustable straps. And she is a breathable breathable construction material. And as far as I can see, you can't see anything, so that's a good thing. She is long. Doesn't say how long she is. I was trying to see if I can find that, but it doesn't say how long she is. But you guys can see that she is long. So let me install her and I will come back with my final thoughts.
But I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
Okay y'all, so I am not sure how I feel about the curtain bangs. Like, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about them. Like, they're cute, but they are just not falling the way I want them to fall. So maybe that's a me thing, you know. I know a lot of people like to push the bang to their face like I just did. So, you know, just swooping it back. But I don't know. Maybe that's a me thing. But this color, look how long this is, y'all. And look at this curl pattern. Like, this curl pattern reminds me of loose deep wave wig, if you've ever worn any of those. This reminds me of a loose deep wave wig. But the curl pattern is pretty. This is one of those wigs that's gonna be thick, so she's gonna be hot. She is long and hot. Like, I'm hot wearing her now. And then it is a little snug, so you know, I have my hair in 2 braids. I always have my hair in 2 braids whenever I do my wig installs, and she is tight. Like, I didn't do anything to the adjustable straps. I didn't do anything, so I'm not sure if she's big head friendly, you guys. But I do know she can be worn glueless. Like, you don't gotta worry about it sliding off your head. You ain't gotta worry about the wind blowing and, you know, her going bye-bye. Like, she is there and she's gonna stay. Now, I did notice that I did get some tangling in the back. See, look, it's still kind of tangled. I did get some tangling in the back. I don't know if that's because of how long it is or the curl pattern, but see, it's tangled and it's snagged, so that's not a, but it combs out. So, you know, if you take your time and comb it from the ends on up, you know, then see, it's a lot better. But it's gonna take some patience because she does tangle on the end. But longer synthetic units typically tend to do that. I've rarely found some that doesn't do that, so keep that in mind as well. Would I recommend her? Yes, if you like long hair, especially if you like long loose wave hair. Yes, I would recommend her. Go ahead and get her. I would give this wig probably an 8 out of 10 just because of the tangle situation. I'm not a big fan of that. Like, I like something that I can just grab and go. I don't want to have to worry about it tangling up on me throughout the night. That would mean I would have to carry my comb and my little clutch, and I don't want to do anything like that. Now, I do feel like as far as throw and go, like, yes, you can throw her on and you can wear her, like cut the lace off, go on. As you guys saw, I hadn't hot combed the part. I didn't do any of that. I do like this bang that they've added. I just wish that I could figure out how to use it, I guess, because I've had struggles in the past with the bang kind of being attached to the hair, and you have that thing where the curls kind of fall separate. So I think this was kind of their way of fixing it. So, you know, and so you can make it more even, more to your taste, versus like when it was attached to the hair, it was more of a complicated situation. So I do actually like the touch of the bangs. What do you guys think? Do y'all like the bangs, or do y'all think that they should go back to the way that it was? Now, I will say this year Sensational and Outre has stepped their game up with their color combos, like the ombre effect, because this is really pretty. Now, I remember I reviewed, I think, Sensational unit, Butter Unit 8, maybe. I'll have it linked in the cards. And it was Money Piece Hazel, and it was brighter than this. So I don't know if they like toned the color down some, but it was definitely brighter than this. And they could have, because they added more Money Piece colors. So, you know, maybe it is Money Piece Caramel or Money Piece Gold. It's probably Money Piece Gold now. But in the one that I reviewed, Butter Unit 8, it was, I feel like the highlights were brighter than this. Now, this is giving like a chocolate color to me. I don't know if it comes off to you guys as that way, but it comes off as a chocolate color to me. And I still like the highlight situation. It's still pretty to me, but I think the color kind of changed a little bit. I don't know. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all noticed a difference or not. Again, that was a while ago. That was last summer that I reviewed the Sensational Unit 8. So you know, of course, things probably have changed. But I do still like the color. I would definitely give this wig an 8 out of 10. So I would say go and get her. But I would like for you guys to be mindful of the fact that she does tangle. You guys saw that on camera. And that she is snug. Like, this wig is tight on my head. It's not going anywhere. But as far as beginner friendly, I think you should go and pick her up. As far as being a throw and go, again, keep in mind those snags. But she's definitely one that you can wear. I wouldn't recommend wearing her long term. I wouldn't recommend wearing her every day because she's probably gonna tangle. And because of the length, I know the length and the curls, she's gonna tangle. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it. Why? Because sharing is caring. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this new Dashley unit. What do you guys think about this bang situation? Like, let me know what you guys think about that as well. Do you feel like it looks good as a center part? Does it look beginner friendly to you guys? Like, comment down below and let me know what you think about this. Like, is this something that you would wear? Do you like the color? You know, let me know how you guys are feeling about this unit. Like I said, I would recommend it, especially for the price point. But you know, you want to keep those other little things that I talked about in mind as well. As always, thank you guys for your support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell as well. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.